Wiring transfer money RBC is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Log in to RBC Online Banking or the RBC mobile application. Navigate to the transfer section. Depending on the platform, the exact menu options might differ slightly. Select International Money Transfer or Wire Transfer, domestic or international. Choose the appropriate option based on your recipient's location. Enter the recipient's details. This typically includes their full name, bank account number, bank name, and address. Choose the delivery method and payment source. You can usually choose same day and specify the transfer amount and currency. Double-check for accuracy before proceeding. Next day or standard delivery options with fees varying accordingly. Payment sources like your checking or savings account can be selected. Review the information and confirm the transfer. Carefully review all details before confirming the transfer. Track the transfer progress. You can track the status of your wire transfer through your online banking or mobile application.